Okay, in here we got abstract class player, and in here we got the forward and defender and goalkeeper. They are concrete classes inheriting from the abstract class player. The abstract class provides a common structure, and each concrete class provides a specific implementation. And we can see here, in every class we got a string getPosition. This method. Polymorphism is achieved through the overwritten getPosition method in each concrete class. So in here we have the getPosition. In here we also get the position. In every concrete class we have this. It demonstrates polymorphism here, because if you add in the instance of both forward and goalkeeper to the same list of type player, and it will litter over the list, and the getPosition method is called on different player. The add player method demonstrates expression handling here. So it checks the contract length at the maximum player count, throwing exception if the conditions are met. For example, here we have the contract length could not exceed 5 years. So if we enter contract length is more than 5 years, they will throw the exceptions. And the maximum player count here, if the maximum count for each position is greater than 3, then it will throw the exception out. And in here I use the lambda expression used to define a condition for filtering players based on the specific group. And I make small games here, so let's see how it works. Okay, now let's start to run this. Click this, and okay, we just display the player first. Now we can see here we got 7 players from group A and 6 players from group B. And by the way, we didn't know that we have 3 defenders in group A and 2 defenders in group B. Now if we click the start match, the match cannot be started, because the player count in group A is 7 and player group B is 6. It's not equal. So now what we need to do is add a new member to group B. So okay, we said the name is Nancy, and the age is 25, and the gender is like a female, and the position is, now we add a new defender. So the contract length we cannot exceed 5 years, so we set it to 3 years first. And if we set it group A, but you know group A have 3 defenders already, so if we add these players, exception gonna be through. Maximum players can't reach for the position defender, and also the arrow print here. So if we add a wrong message here, we change the wrong word here, and we add the players, gonna be invalid position here. So now let's go with, so if we set it to group A, but the contract length is 6 years. Okay, add players, we show here contract length cannot exceed 5 years. The exception throughout here. So also the print in a mirror message here. So we set it to 3 years. We add the player, gonna show here, player added successfully. We can display players now. We have 7 players from group A and 7 players from group B. So just if we start a match, it's gonna be start. But if we click the end match here now, it's gonna show cannot end the match. Match not started or already ended. So first things, we need to start the match here. The match started between group A and group A. So once we stimulate the match, every group gonna get 1 goal or 2 goals like this, and we click again. We click that again. If we display the scores, we're gonna see here the current scores. Group A is 5, Group B is 3. So, and again we stimulate the match. So after that we end the match. We're gonna see here match ended. Final score: Group A 6, Group B 3, and we can see the Group A wins. That's all about this app. Thanks.